working.
Cheerio! Next stop, adventure!
A lemon bright, so sharp, so neat, was rolling quickly down the street. His doors cut out with zesty care. It called, hop in, I'll take you there. Its rind so shiny, yellow gold, became a taxi quick and bold. Its wheels were made of lemon slice that rolled along so fresh, so nice. The children laughed and climbed inside. The taxi beeped and zipped with pride. Its horn went toot with citrus cheer. The lemons zoomed both far and near. It sped past houses tall and bright. It glowed beneath the moon at night. Its headlights sparkled, rind aglow. It beeped at flowers lined in row. The lemon sang a tangy song. Its ride was short, it zipped along. The wind blew zest through starry skies, a citrus cloud before their eyes. It turned through lanes both left and right. Its peel wheel squeaked but held on tight. It bounced through puddles, splashed with glee. A tangy ride for you and me.
Absolutely brilliant, old boy!
Wow, look at all the ducks down there.
It stopped
They're
beside
ever
a
so
meadow
cute,
tall.
aren't they?
It shouted, taxi, who will call?
Just
The children waved one final spin and clapped their hands as they climbed in. The lemon rolled through rainbow streams. It carried joy, it carried dreams. Its seeds went click with every mile. Its juicy glow, a citrus smile. At last it parked by starlit skies, with sleepy kids and twinkling eyes. It whispered softly, rest my friend. The lemon taxi's at its end. So if you hear a citrus beep and smell sweet zest while fast asleep, a lemon taxi might be near to take you home with love and cheer.